Good day, everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset the oil maintenance light on every generation of Lexus LX in just a few easy steps. So, stay tuned to learn how you can do this in just a few minutes. This section will teach you how to reset the oil maintenance light in your 2008 to 2015 Lexus LX. This a simple yet important task for vehicle maintenance. So let's see how it's done. Step 1. Turn the ignition switch to the on position. Step 2. Press the trip button briefly until you see the trip A on the screen. Step 3. Turn off the ignition. Step 4. Press and hold the trip button while pressing the start button twice without touching the brake pedal. Step 5. Continue to hold down the trip button until the reset process is complete and you're done. Now, for the 2016 to 2020 Lexus LX, you can reset the maintenance light by using the steering button. So let's try to do it. Step 1. Turn on your car. Step 2. Press the navigation button on the steering wheel until you get the Settings menu tab. Step 3. Scroll down to the Oil Maintenance menu and press OK. Step 4. When a confirmation dialog appears, select Yes to confirm and you're done. Like its predecessor, the 4th generation Lexus LX's maintenance light can be reset using the navigation button on the steering wheel. So, let's jump right into that. Step 1. Get in the car and turn it on. Step 2. Press the navigation button on the steering wheel until you get to the Gear Icon menu tab. Step 3. Scroll down and find the Vehicle Setting menu and press OK to enter. Step 4. Scroll down and select the Oil Maintenance. Step 5. Finally, select Yes to execute the maintenance data reset and you're done. So that's how easy it is. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and check out my other videos for more helpful car maintenance tips. Anyway, thanks for watching and happy driving.